Hello guys! Today we're going to be making baked feta cheese. Baked feta cheese is a simple but delicious recipe, so let's try it out together. Step number 1. You need a wide bowl, and you're going to put some olive oil inside. Everywhere.
Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know.
Now you're gonna get your cherry tomatoes, and all the measurements are in the description box below. This is how it should look like. Now let's mix it up. All the olive oil is onto the tomatoes. It's mixed. Perfect. Now let's put our feta cheese inside. Get your feta cheese.
Time to obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know.
Pepper.
Oh, you don't know, hey, I'm a danger to myself. Oh, you don't
Some garlic.
hey, I am fading unfelt.
But not too much because feta cheese is already salty. Some herbs. More herbs.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a
Better
stranger.
without the stem inside of it.
Able to
And
do what you
herbs.
want. You think I'm a
Now let's mix it again.
just a singer, or busy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling. Down to obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm
Gonna add a little bit more oil onto the feta cheese.
Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know.
And be generous with the oil because that's gonna be a part of our sauce. In there. Now let's bake at 200 degrees for 25 minutes. Now, while our feta cheese is being baked, let's cook the spaghetti. So this is really hot water. Guys, make sure to have adult supervision when you're working with hot and sharp objects. There, and our pasta will be ready in 10 minutes. So now our feta cheese is out of the oven. Our pasta is done as well. Now let's just mix the feta cheese up. It's It's crispy on the outside and nice and fluffy on the inside. I can't wait to try this out, guys. I'm just gonna pop some tomatoes so it's nice and mixed. So we taste everything. Look at that. So that's thoroughly mixed. Add pasta to it. And we mix it again. Smells amazing. Okay.
You call me a saint, but you know
It
I'm
looks
a
so
stranger.
creamy.
All willing and able to do
So
what
let's
you
get a little
want.
bit of it.
You think I'm a thinker,
Get on to the taste
but I'm
test.
just a singer. All busy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Down to obscurity, don't let me
It
ever be this
amazing.
alone.
Okay.
I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all
Yes.
up, you know.
There. Let's taste it. 3, 2, 1.
I'm a danger to myself. Oh, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt.
It's so nice and creamy, and you can taste the tomato, you can taste the garlic. You can taste everything, and it's nice and mixed. It tastes amazing.
Worried, and maybe you should be, 'cause this is a warning that I'm
Try this out. It is amazing, super simple, easy to make, and delicious. Bye!